Designed for small to medium dogs and cats. Compared with other products, the 7116 Pet Hair Clipper Kit has a slimmer body and 40 mm titanium ceramic blade, which can help you reach smaller and narrower dog and cat hair areas with less effort. Its weight is more conducive to long-term holding and can provide you and your pet with a comfortable and precise trimming experience. The same money to get for. The 7116 Dog and Cat Grooming Kit adopts a detachable cutter head design with 4 replaceable cutter head attachments: standard cutter head, narrow cutter head, small, details, cutter head and nail grinder head, which can be quickly replaced with just one pull and one push to meet the needs of dog and cat body trimming. Save your money now. Snag-free cutting and IPX7 waterproof, driven by upgraded heavy-duty motor, bring more power to your clipping work. Combined with the sharp ceramic blade, it can provide excellent cutting performance and greatly reduce the discomfort of your pet. We've also provided additional standard blades that can be replaced with just one push of the thumb, and the IPX7 waterproof design allows you to wash directly in water, making your cleaning and maintenance more convenient and fast. Great Pet Home Grooming Kit. The noise is about 55 dB when the pet hair clipper working. It achieved the perfect balance between powerful cutting and low noise operation. Whether it is trimming the hair on the claws or the eye sockets, everything is done easily. It can be used cordless and corded, and the convenient USB charging design allows you to trim your pet anytime, anywhere, making your pets love grooming. Easy to start. The exquisite package includes 4 standard attachment guide comb, 3 mm, 6 mm, 9 mm, 12 mm, a narrow attachment guide comb and a small, details attachment guide comb. You can freely control the length of pet hair as needed by attach guide comb, even if you have never used it before. It is recommended to bathe and dry your dogs and cats first before grooming. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome little groomer. I have a Yorkshire Terrier and grooming is essential, and to have it professionally done is costly. When this came, I immediately tried it out on her, intending to only do her face, but the trimmer is so easy to use that I completely groomed her. I love it. It is easy to use, lightweight and low vibration. I am very pleased.